10 years now, and it's been a fantastic rig for me. I couldn't park it on the street without my wife commenting, can you move that truck like another 15, 20 feet down out of my sight line? Because when I sit out front, I can see that really rusty rear fender. Like we use this truck for camping, and before I was kind of, embarrassed about going to the campsite, now I'm going to be really proud pulling into the campsite, pulling our Shasta Airplay trailer. When Paul set up the shop here, I said, okay, and he gave me a call. He said, let's see what we can do with this truck. New steel was put in on the rear passenger box. The driver's door was replaced. Spent a considerable amount of time buffing the wheels. I've never seen the wheels look this good, actually, since I've owned it. My name is Ed Niedzalski, and I would say that if you have any rust repair and some glamour work to be done, Paul will do specialized rust repair and the quality work that we see here today. Do I buy a new truck, spend $70,000, $80,000? Or do I maybe invest several thousand dollars on some fresh auto body, rust repair, and everything else? I think the answer is pretty clear, eh? Invest in the truck that you love and you want to keep for a while.